first?
Winchester at 27 North Gateway, which is off Chardon's. Chardon, I believe, is the last street in Winchester off of Main Street.
How many pickups do you usually do in a day?
It varies. The most I've ever done, I think, is 8, and it's usually around 5 to 8. And 8's rare. 27. I usually just do Tuesdays nowadays. I started out doing 3 days a week when I first started. But they got more volunteers now. Hopefully we get more.
I really think it's a great charity. I think because not only does it help the people who we end up, come in for the household goods, but the people who want to get rid of things. A lot of them are just so happy, just been freed up from all this, and it's not thrown out.
Yeah.
So, plus all the people who work here are great.
So we're back to the warehouse now, unloading the truck after pretty much clearing that one apartment out. Other people are picking stuff up. So now what do you do with all the stuff once you get it back here? You got to put it through processing?
We have to arrange it inside so the clients can come in and pick out what they want for their furnishings. And that's how we do it. And sometimes it gets a little crowded. But you sure?
Yeah.
He's leaving now.